You know, I think a lot about this aging shit and how long can I do all this work that I do. But you know, so slow and steady wins the race. Hopefully I'll get to plant next week. Try to keep it all up. Do my show, plant, keep this place up. I've got the front of the house to do. I got all the flowers on the deck. Well, not all of them, but most of them potted. So it's really nice to just enjoy life, which is what we're supposed to be doing. But how can you when you know what's going on? When you watch the floods, you see the droughts. Yeah, look at that. Still got quite a bit of wood. I've had a lot of this stuff a long time. These pots. Yep. Everything looks good here. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful leaves. Dill is coming up. Little dill. Lemon mint is in that pocket. There's all my lettuce. Tomatoes. I completely forgot what I put in there. Oh my goodness. I got more tomatoes up here. One cantaloupe, but that'll go in the big garden. I've got beets, celery. Everything's starting to come up. It's a shame I didn't get my greenhouse going. I could have grown a lot more than I have at the work table. I think next year maybe I could afford to try to get my deck fixed the right way instead of drilling in plywood. Yeah, and here we are. Environmental coffee house. So the soil's coming today. That will be laid down, dumped onto that tarp, and I will very steadily and very slowly wheelbarrow soil to build up these beds, which are 7 years old. And yeah, I'm a little late, but I'm gonna take all the stuff down, the irrigation, roll it down to this end, right? And raise up these beds, and then take all the wood and the stones that I've collected and line them. Oh, that's gorgeous. So all of that will be going into those beds. Yeah. Getting there. This could take a while. I'm not gonna get it done today. It's too hot now. Plus I gotta drag more edging up from basement woods. When I first made this garden, I used everything possible. I had old siding, and this is where the snakes live. Too bad there's nobody under here today. I'm gonna only do 6 beds. And I'm just dragging whatever I find in the basement to line the beds, because nothing has to be perfect. Once all these are built up, then the compost and the good soil goes on the top, and then the planting. Like I said before, the last thing I'm going to do is the aesthetics, which are around here after I put the lines back down for irrigation. But I think I'm doing pretty good. you know, everything that's going on all around the world. And then you look at this, and you think, wow, I mean, it's, how many times can I pinch myself to know that I am in one of the most, privileged, blessed situations I could be in.